So Nigeria Airforce carry their aircraft to enter Burkina airspace. Do you understand me? Now Burkina Faso government have to force the aircraft to land. Do you understand me? They now detain 11 of the soldier where the aircraft carry. You understand me? Even though I dey hear say they have been released, but the aircraft, I don't know if the Burkina still pounded the aircraft. Now, you see we Nigerians, you see some people they talk say if a Burkina do anyhow, Nigeria go finish them. For this critical time, I mean, no know say the elastic of Nigeria don dey try to break since. Nigeria no need external pressure at the assistance now. Do you understand me? So no even go there. Say, oh, if Burkina do anyhow, Nigeria go finish them. No, no do am. Abi una don't forget say ECOWAS sanction AES, Alliance of Sahel State. Abi you know here and that time where the coup they happen everywhere in Africa. Say ECOWAS sanction Niger, sanction Mali, and sanction Burkina. Do you understand what I'm saying? So they even bound, they know they say they no go fly for ECOWAS airspace. Do you understand me? Now, for Nigeria to go to Benin to help the Benin Republic, now they can't enter the Burkina airspace without clearance. They have to force the airline to land. Do you understand me? And we are there talking about, Nigeria go finish Burkina Faso. If Nigeria start anything now, the three EAS Sahel state go face Nigeria. So as it stands now, make una no talk that one because Nigeria as it stands today no need external pressure. Do you understand me? Akwefuru ife amelu that time eji wee sị anụ ọgụ na ndị Edafia bụ Niger na Nigeria si Nigeria emegide Nigeria wee sepụta isife ebe ahụ. Do you understand me? Na anyị una one try. As ECOWAS ban them now, they also ban ECOWAS. Make ECOWAS country know they fly for their own space. And I hear say they even threaten that any ECOWAS aircraft where they see on their space again, they go neutralize them. And so I hear. Do you understand me? We could no go there. We no need external pressure now for this country because we no go fit survive am.